Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to completely uninstall iTunes in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, close the iTunes. If iTunes is open on your PC, then close it. Close iTunes. After that, go to the start and here type control panel. Click on the control panel. In control panel, find programs and features. Click on programs and features. Here find all your install apps or software. Here find Apple software. Here we find publisher. Here we find iTunes. Here is the Apple. After that, here is the Apple. Here is the Apple software update and Apple mobile device support. We has to uninstall these all things. First, I uninstall iTunes. Click on uninstall. Select the iTunes. Select the iTunes, then click on the uninstall button at the top. Click on the yes. It takes few minutes to start. Click on the yes. After that, our iTunes is deleted, but these three are not deleted. So go to the one by one Apple softwares and uninstall it. Click on yes. Click on yes. It takes few minutes. After that, click on Apple software update. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. Click on yes. Same thing. Same thing with the last Apple mobile device support. Select that. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. Click on yes. It's uninstall our all Apple software or iTunes software from our PC. After that, close our control panel and restart your machine, and your all Apple or the iTunes software or iTunes are deleted from your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.